Hey everyone, this is Surya. It's been quite a while, but I'm gonna jump right into the topic of this video. I made a umtymp practice test. It's like around 11 questions. I believe made this like 2 weeks ago, but 11 questions, and I'm gonna be giving you a live demo, working out through each problem step by step. So I'm gonna be going somewhat in detail here. If I don't go much into detail and you all need some more explanation, ask your questions in the comment section. I'll get back to you as quick as possible. So let's begin. So first problem, we have quantity A is 5, hold on one second, 5 root 3, and then quantity B is 3 root 5. So my first instinct is to just write it all out. You're given a whole 30 seconds for each problem like this. You should know how to solve this. So 25 times 5, which is 125 here. What did I just do? Okay. And this other one here, 3 times 3 times 3 times. You just break it up into parts and just solve. You get 81 times 3, which is 243. And I do not know what's going on here, sorry. And we get that 243 is greater than 125. So quantity B is greater, which means B is the answer. The median of the set and the mean of the set. So this is like a statistics problem. You should know what a median and a mean is. So for median, we just got to find the middle element. It's pretty obvious just by looking here. It's 10. But hold on, I just accidentally. Yeah, so you just go ahead and cross first and last, and the second first and second last, and then get the middle element. And once again, if it's an even number of elements, so if I have 3, 7, 10, 11, 15, and 18, I'm going to cross out until I get the middle two, and then I find the average of this, which is 10.5 in that case. For the mean, we're going to add all of these elements and divide by the total elements in the set. So 3 plus 7 plus 10 plus 15 plus 18 divided by 5. So that's 10, 20, 35, 53 divided by 5. So over here for A we have 10, and on B we have 53 over 5. We know that 50 over 5 is equal to 10, so 53 over 5 is going to be greater than 10. So the answer is B here. Okay, so this one goes on to the next problem, but the first thing I see is let x equal to 2 times 3 minus 3. This is easily simplifiable. 6 minus 3 is 3, so just keep in mind that x is equal to 3 here. And we're just, I don't see any other method than actually solving out the things. So once again, x is equal to 3. So for A, we have 9 minus 12 plus 4. Oops, my bad. So 9 minus 12 plus 4, which is equal to 1. Did I do that right? Yes. Yeah. And then for B over here, x squared, 9 minus 3 times 3 plus 2. That's equal to 9 minus 9 plus 2, which is equal to 2. And so here 2 is greater than 1, so our quantity B is our answer. For the fourth one, the number of positive divisors of 36 or the number of positive divisors of 48. And so we are just going to start listing them out here. If you don't know what positive divisors are, we're just thinking about any number that we can divide 36 by to get another number. So 1 and 36, obviously. 2 and 18. 3 and 13, 12. 4 and 9. 6 and 6. I think that should be it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sorry, 6 that's 2 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 positive divisors. Yeah, so don't make the same mistakes I did. So I added another 6, but 6 is the same number, so you eliminate that. Positive divisors of 48. So we'll start with 1 and 48. 2 and 24. 3 and 16. 4 and 12. 6 and 8. I think that should be it. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So since we have more positive divisors of 48 than we do for 36, our correct answer is B. They feel like all of them are B so far. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to -2. Yeah, so this is one of those problems where you just got to substitute in. So for A, we have 2 times 4 plus 3 times -2, 8 minus 6, which is 2. For this other one, B is going to be x minus 2 times -2. Yeah, so it's just 4 plus 4, which is 8. And so once again, 8 is greater than 2, so answer choice is B. I swear when I made this, I did not intend everything to be B. I swear. It's just like that. Alright, sum of interior angles of a pentagon and sum of interior angles of a hexagon. Okay, now for this one, the reason I included this is because it's a formula that you should know for the test if you don't know it already. Now, this should be in the 501 book. Yeah, so the formula is to find the sum of an interior angles of a polygon with n sides. The formula is 180 times n minus 2. My bad. I'm going to fix that. N minus 2. And so for here, pentagon is a 5-sided shape and a hexagon is a 6-sided shape. You don't really have to do this formula. Now, I included this because it's something that you should know. I know there's like 1 or 2 questions that I took where I had to use this one. But in this case, right, a hexagon has 6 sides. It's clearly has more sides than a pentagon. So for that reason, the interior angles, by the way, interior angles are like these angles right here. Angles that are interior of the shape is going to total more than it does for a pentagon that has less sides. So B is the correct answer. So we didn't even need to use that formula, but I added it because it's something you should know. So this is just a simple, what is it called? I'm blanking out. Fraction addition problem. Sorry. We are just going to go ahead and find the common, which is 36. You multiply by 3 to get here, and then times 2 here. It's just normal, we're just doing standard stuff here. Now, to compare this with 3/4, we have to get them to the common denominator, alright? So this would be equal to, 3/4 is equal to, we gotta find x here. You multiply by 9 to get to 36, so you multiply by 9 here, you get to 27. And 31 over 36 is greater than 27 over 36. So A is the answer, finally. 8, the area of a triangle with base 8 and height 6. And B, area of a rectangle with length 6 and width 6. You also need to know the areas of shapes. So you need to know triangle, rectangle. You also need to know trapezoid. I mean, that's actually something that helped me a lot. It still helps me to this day on like my SAT and ACT. Like if you're given this, right? Most people, what they do, you'll see like random people like actually like splitting this up into triangle and rectangle. Like cut that out. You don't want to do that anymore. Use the formula, okay? So the formula is the area. Right, this is like irrelevant to this problem, but I just have to show you. It's the two bases, the sum of the two bases divided by like half of the sum of the bases times the height. So you don't even have to do any of the splitting up. B2 minus B1 over here is this base and then height and whatever. We're just getting the overall with one formula. All right. So let's go back to this problem here. Area of a triangle, that is my handwriting is really bad today. Here. So for A, base is 8 and height is 6. And area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So it's 1/2, 8, 6. And so 4 times 6 is 24. For B here, a rectangle length 6 and width 6, it's just 6 times 6, 36. And so 36 is bigger than 24, so our answer is B. We got 3 more problems. Probability of rolling a sum of 7, probability of rolling a sum of 8 on 2 dices. So, if you remember probability formula, it is going to be equal to number of desired outcomes divided by number of total outcomes. If you don't know this formula, memorize it. We're trying to see the number of the desired, like what we want, divided by the total combinations. When you have 2 6-sided dice, how many sums can you make? You can make in total 36 sums. Because if you have one dice over here and another dice over here, we have a total of 36 combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's all for 1. Another 6 for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 6, which is 36. That's our total for both. That's our total outcome. Now we just don't know the numerator of each. To roll a sum of 7, what are the combinations we can have? To roll a sum of 7. So this is going to be 7, and green is going to be 8. 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4, 4 and 3, 5 and 2, 6 and 1. That is a total of 6 combinations. So 6 going to go 6 over here. Now for 8, we have 2 and 6, 3 and 5, and 4 and 4. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So this is one combination. This is 3. So 2 and 6 is one combination. 3 and 5 is another combination. But 4 and 4 is only one combination. Right? We can split. We can have these as another one, because the order doesn't matter. But 4 and 4 can only occur once. I don't know why that just erased. My bad. So this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so since A has more desired outcomes, A is going to be the right answer here. Number of distinct diagonals in a regular heptagon. Number of distinct diagonals in a regular hexagon. Now this word distinct, it was my worst nightmare because I never knew what it meant until the day of the exam. Distinct means different. They will never use the word different in an umtymp test. They will use this annoying word distinct, alright? So memorize what it means. It just means different, like not the same. Diagonals in a heptagon and a hexagon. So let's just draw it out here. I'm going to show you the easy way second. That is not a heptagon, my bad. So I'm going to draw a very bad heptagon. If you don't know what heptagon is, that's a 7-sided shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is, I'm so sorry. I don't know how to draw a heptagon. Let's do it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is somewhat okay. Diagonals mean we're just trying to find, like this is one diagonal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I think 13, 14. That looks like that, yeah. So 14 over here. And for the other one, it's just a hexagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 over here. So the heptagon has more distinct diagonals. And once again, you can actually deduct this because a heptagon has 7 sides and a hexagon only has 6. So it's going to have more diagonals. So that's the simpler way. So let A... Oh, sorry, wrong color. Let A over B is equal to 3 over 4 is equal to C over D. Quantity A says A plus D and B plus C. Now, most of you already know the answer just by looking at this, but I'm going to explain it. You always start by using examples. For all these variable problems, where it's like there's a relationship and everything, start by listing out values, because there's a big chance that the answer is probably D. Let us say A over B is 9 over 12. Because that satisfies we're just doing multiply by 3 on both sides, right? We're just, oh my goodness, what is going on? Okay, oops, I'm so sorry. So we're just multiplying by 3 on both sides here, right? And for the other one, we're multiplied by 2, right? So in that case, A plus D would equal 17 and B plus C would equal 18. So you would think B is the answer here, right? Because 18 is greater than 17. However, what if it was flipped around? What? We could have the same 6 over 8 here, and then the 9 over 12 here, right? In that case, A plus D would be equal to 18, and then B plus C would be equal to 17. Now, A is greater than B. So what does that mean? D, there's not enough information to let us give an answer. Let me just... I don't know why my answer key says A on that. I'm going to fix this answer key. This is probably not right, because it does have 3 and 5 being listed as A. I'm just looking through and seeing if I did anything wrong. That's 8 minus 6, 2. 4 plus 8. Yeah, that should be B. Okay, I'm going to fix the answer key before distributing this. This PDF should be linked. Otherwise, yeah, make sure you do the problems before I actually solve them. Should have said that at the beginning. I know the AP exam is coming up. Sorry, not the AP exam. The umtymp exam is coming up. So yeah, good luck on that. Let me know if you want one more cram session, kind of like this, where I create more problems for you to solve. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. It's been a long time. Good luck at the tests.